Wadachi Life Friends Collection Dream Life new trailer released will land in 2026 support Chinese. The series has returned for the first time since the launch of Friends Collection New Life in 2016, making many players full of expectations for the new work. Players will once again interact with their favorite characters in this creative and interesting simulation world, and launch a series of creative life dramas. The production team said that the game will add more novel elements. How to make the life of the secret door more colorful is the direction of their efforts. Although the details of the specific gameplay of the game have not yet been announced, based on the success of the previous game, players are looking forward to the content of the new game. Then I'll have to go. I'm lazy. While fighting.